I have here the Origins Ginseng SPF 40 Energy Boosting Tinted Moisturizer. I always use a tinted moisturizer, but I'm just not happy with it. So I wanted a change, and I picked this up. I'm so tired of moisturizers just looking, not helping at all. And I like that this one is tinted. It's a shortcut to looking alive. You can hydrate. You can look a little better. In the summer, I'm always tan. In the winter and fall, I'm just really pale. I love that this is packed with caffeine and ginseng to wake my skin up. So when you put it on, it has that off-white lotion texture that automatically adjusts to your skin. When I first put it on, I was kind of like shocked because it went on white, but then it adjusts to your skin tone. So very nice, very easy to apply. I love it because you get that natural look without heavy foundation. And it's a bore for me to put on foundation, to put on sunscreen. That's just too much. So I like this because it's glow, it's moisture, and it's protection without the whole routine. I'm so excited to pull this into my morning routine and use one product for all of those needs. But minimal work, all the effort, highly recommend. If you want a tinted moisturizer that hydrates, smooths, and brightens, this one is going to protect you while keeping your skin looking natural and radiant. This one is going to earn a permanent spot on my winter morning routine. Highly recommend.